Hey everyone, have you ever let someone borrow your computer only to have that sinking feeling that they might snoop through your personal files? What if I told you there are three powerful ways to hide your files in Windows that most people don't know about? In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make any drive on your computer invisible, whether you're using Windows 10 or 11. Be sure to watch until the end for the most secure method. I will guide you through everything from simple one-click options to advanced techniques that makes drives completely disappear from File Explorer. Here are the three main ways we can do this. Stick around to see which one works best for your situation. First up, I will show you how to use group policy. It is super straightforward and works great if you have Windows Pro or Enterprise Edition. Next, we will dive into the Registry Editor method. This one is perfect when you need to hide any drive letter, not just the standard ones. And finally, we'll look at the disk management tool. This is the most powerful option when you want a drive to completely vanish. Let me start with the first option, group policy. Group policy gives us two options for hiding drives you don't want others to see. This method is perfect if you are using Windows Pro or Enterprise editions. Now, I'll walk you through it step by step. It's actually pretty straightforward once you see how it is done. Start by opening the local group policy editor. So I'm going to right click on Start and click on Run. Just type gpedit.msc in the Run dialog and click OK. Navigate to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and finally File Explorer. On the right side, find the setting called Hide these specified drives in my computer and open it. Let me enable the setting. Now you can hide specific drives like A, B, C, or even all drives at once. Let me hide C drive only by selecting Restrict C drive only. Just be aware that this method has a limitation. You can only hide standard drive letters A, B, C, and D. So if you have F drive on your computer, you won't be able to hide it this way. This method only works with those first four letters. All right. So click OK. Close the group policy editor. Next, I'm going to right click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes. To apply the changes, I'm going to type GP update and press enter. All right, now if I go back to File Explorer and click on this PC, you can see I don't see C drive. Pretty cool, right? Keep in mind though, anyone who knows their way around computers can still get to these hidden drives. They just need to type the drive letter in the address bar. Like if I type C drive in File Explorer and press enter, it will still open right up, even if it's hidden. So for stronger protection, go back to Group Policy Editor. And if I go back to the same location, User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, File Explorer, and look at another option in the same section, Prevent Access to Drives from my computer. Double click it. Now, this doesn't just hide drives, it actually blocks access to them. If you want real privacy, this is the setting you'll want to use. Let's say I want to restrict access to C drive. So I'm going to enable it. And from this list, I'm going to select the same option, which is Restrict C drive only, and click OK. Go back to Command Prompt and run GP update again. If I go back to File Explorer and type C drive in the address bar, I get this error message which says this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. All right. Now, one thing to note, these drives will still appear in third-party file managers. They're only hidden within File Explorer itself. But don't worry, I've got even better methods coming up next. If you find this helpful so far, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Windows tips like this one. All right, now let's talk about hiding any drive letter, not just the standard one. What if you want to hide your F drive and L drive or even Z drive? If you need this kind of flexibility, the registry method is your best bet. You can use it to hide absolutely any drive letter in Windows. A word of caution, the registry editor is no joke. It can really mess up your system if you're not careful. Before you make any changes in registry, make sure you have a very good backup of all your files and folders in case you'd like to restore them. Now let's get back on track. I have my notepad opened, and these are the commands that create the registry keys we need. These commands will add the no drives and no view on drive keys, which allow us to hide any drive we want. All we need to do is replace these X's with the decimal code for the drive we want to hide. This is a table of all drive letter codes. It is super helpful when you're trying to figure out which values to use for specific drives. I'm going to put this table in the video description. Here's a quick tip. Before messing with registry settings, double check that those GPO options that we talked about earlier aren't active. Otherwise, they might interfere with what we are trying to do here. So I'm going to set both these options to not configured. Click OK. And this one not configured, click OK. And I'm going to close local group policy editor. Okay, so let's say I want to hide my F drive. All I need to do is look up the decimal code for F drive, which is 32, and replace these X's with 32. All right, so let me copy these two commands. Go back to command prompt or PowerShell as administrator, and I'm going to paste in here, paste anyway. All right, you can see it says the operation completed successfully for both these commands. Now, if I check my file explorer, I still see in here. That's because I need to restart my computer. So let me restart my computer. All right, I've signed back in and let me open up Explorer. I'll click on this PC and you can see I don't see the F drive anymore. Want to bring it back? Let me show you how to undo these changes by removing those registry keys. All right, so let me right click on Start, click Run, type regedit, click OK, click Yes, expand H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, Explorer. Now find those keys we added, this one and this one. I'm going to right click on them and select delete, click yes. Let me close out Registry Editor and restart my computer. All right, I'm back in. Let me open up File Explorer. I'll click on this PC and you can see my F drive is back. Now, what if you want to hide multiple drives? This is where it gets really interesting. Just add their values together. For example, if I wanted to hide both my F and L drives, I would sum up the value of F and L, which is 32 plus 2048, which is 2080. And I'll go back to my notepad and I have these commands in my notepad. And you can see I have set the value for both these commands as 2080. All right, I'm going to copy them. Right click on Start, click on Terminal Admin, click Yes, and I'm going to paste them. Paste anyway. Okay, the operation completed successfully. Now, after running these commands, I'm going to restart my computer. All right, I have signed in back and I will open up File Explorer. Click on this PC and you can see both my drives are hidden. And if you're managing multiple computers, you can deploy these registry settings through group policy preferences. This hiding drives trick is super popular on remote desktop services servers, or simply called terminal servers. And for even tighter security, you can use remote apps to prevent users from accessing file explorers altogether. But wait, we still have one more method that's even more powerful. So if you want to take it a step further, here's the ultimate method. If you want to completely remove a drive letter so it does not show up at all, you can use disk management. First, I'm going to right click on Start and click on Run and type disk mgmt.msc. Hit OK. Now find the drive you want to work with. I'm going to right click on my L drive and click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. You'll see the current drive letter there. All you need to do is click Remove. Click Yes, and that's it. This drive will completely disappear from File Explorer. It's like it was never there. And there you have it, 3 powerful methods to hide any drive in Windows. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.